How to make money with crypto. Cryptocurrency has become a popular way to earn money online. While it comes with risks, there are several legitimate ways to make money in the crypto space if approached wisely. Here are some of the most common methods. 1. Buying and holding, HODLing. This is one of the most straightforward methods. Investors buy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other altcoins and hold them for a long period. The goal is to buy low and sell high when the price increases. It requires patience and a belief in the long-term growth of the chosen cryptocurrency. 2. Trading. Unlike holding, crypto trading involves buying and selling coins more frequently. Traders use technical analysis and market trends to make profits from short-term price movements. It can be risky but also very profitable for experienced individuals. There are different trading styles like day trading, swing trading, and scalping. 3. Staking and yield farming. Many cryptocurrencies allow users to stake their coins and earn rewards. Staking means locking your coins in a wallet to support the network's security and operations. Yield farming, on the other hand, involves lending your crypto assets on DeFi, decentralized finance, platforms to earn interest or additional tokens. 4. Mining. Crypto mining involves using computer power to solve complex mathematical problems and validate transactions on the blockchain. Miners are rewarded with new coins. This method requires investment in mining hardware and electricity, making it less accessible for beginners today compared to earlier years. 5. Earning crypto as payment. You can also earn cryptocurrencies by offering your services or products and accepting payment in crypto. Many freelancers and businesses accept Bitcoin or other coins for work like graphic design, writing, programming, or digital marketing. 6. Participating in airdrops and bounty programs. Crypto projects sometimes give away free tokens to promote their platforms. Airdrops usually require minimal effort, such as signing up or following social media pages. Bounty programs may involve completing tasks like bug testing, content creation, or translation in exchange for crypto rewards. 7. NFTs and gamefi. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and blockchain-based games, gamefi, offer new earning opportunities. You can create and sell NFTs, or play blockchain games to earn tokens and digital assets that have real-world value. Important tips. Always research before investing in any crypto project. Use trusted platforms and secure your wallet. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Be aware of scams and fake investment schemes.